Virtual reality, VR, is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. The best thing about it is that instead of watching an experience like TV or video games, you are actually in the experience, allowing more capabilities that you wouldn't be able to do with other media. This includes vision, touch, hearing, as well as smell, and this can be created with other technologies to allow a more realistic experience. Right now, there are two different experiences: virtual reality and augmented reality. With augmented reality, it is a way still to be connected to the world, the real world, putting your foot in, as well as simulating objects and mapping the terrain with the real world using sensors and cameras. Virtual reality is just the artificial environment you step in, digitally created by like a gatekeeper. The most recognized, the biggest thing about VR is the headset, or the HMD, so the head mounted display. And there is another display though. It's called Cave. It's automatic virtual environments. The difference with Cave is that it is actively put in the display. So environments are actively put. The display content room size screen, taking about the size of the head mount display. So you only have a head mount display. With this, it's the whole room. Audio is a big thing in VR. The more the illusion the VR creates, the better. With hearing and vision being central to a person's sense in space, having these two sensors mixed together will bring a more realistic experience. VR was created in the 1960s, actually, with the device called the HeadSight was created. Even with that though, before that there was 360 paintings that were created about 200 years ago. Just the modern VR is the digital way of creating these experiences. How does this all work? Just with modern VR devices, our displays splitting each feed with each eye. These are usually connected to HDMI cables that transfer the video to your PC or console through your eyes. There are also cheaper devices right now, as it is expensive, like Oculus Go and Oculus Quest, which is a mid-entry level into the VR for a cheaper price. I'd like to thank Markson T Labs and Pocket Lint for the information I gathered from those websites. You can visit them on marksontlabs.com and pocketlint.com. Thank you.